If you're looking for the best just released AI software, then Wayin AI might just be what you need. In this review, I'm going to share the 7 most crucial things you need to know about Wayin AI, including how it can help streamline your workflows and potentially transform your business. Stick around until the end because I'll also share my personal thoughts and what kind of user might benefit the most from this AI tool. You can even try it for free through the first link in the description below. Wayin AI is an all-in-one AI tool that's quickly gaining traction. It's designed to simplify complex processes by using advanced algorithms to generate insights and automate tasks. One of the biggest advantages of Wayin AI is its ability to integrate with existing software you may already be using. This means you can sync it with platforms like Salesforce, Google Analytics, and social media networks. For anyone familiar with digital marketing, this integration can save an incredible amount of time and effort. The second standout feature is its ease of use. Unlike many other AI tools that require a steep learning curve, Wayin AI is designed to be user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner, you won't feel overwhelmed by complicated dashboards or settings. It's a plug-and-play solution that anyone can start using immediately. Another crucial aspect is its predictive analytics. Wayin AI doesn't just analyze your data, it gives you actionable insights. This feature is a game changer for marketers who need to make data-driven decisions quickly. Instead of manually sifting through reports, you can rely on Wayin AI to generate recommendations based on real-time data, helping you make faster, smarter decisions. Let's talk about personalization. Wayin AI stands out in this area by offering deep customization. Whether you're running a content campaign or trying to optimize your customer interactions, Wayin AI tailors its recommendations to your unique business needs. This level of personalization is rare in AI software, and it ensures that you're not getting generic advice or solutions. Speed is another critical benefit of Wayin AI. In today's fast-paced digital world, the quicker you can act, the better. Wayin AI processes and delivers insights much faster than traditional tools. This means you can act on your data in real time, improving your response time to market changes, customer feedback, or competitive shifts. When it comes to cost, Wayin AI offers an attractive proposition. Many similar AI tools can be prohibitively expensive for smaller businesses, but Wayin AI has flexible pricing options that scale with your needs. The fact that you can try it for free, as I mentioned earlier, also makes it a risk-free way to explore its capabilities. One thing I really appreciate about Wayin AI is its focus on transparency. The tool is designed to give you clear explanations behind its suggestions and predictions. This ensures you're not just taking the software's word for it. You understand the reasoning behind each recommendation, which is essential for building trust in an AI tool. So, who should use Wayin AI? It's perfect for digital marketers, business owners, or anyone involved in customer engagement and content strategy. Whether you're working with social media, email campaigns, or customer data, Wayin AI has the potential to automate and optimize a lot of what you do manually right now. In summary, Wayin AI is an incredibly powerful AI tool with practical features, from seamless integrations to personalized insights and transparent predictions. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use AI solution, this one is definitely worth checking out. And as always, I've included a list of my recommended AI software in the description below, which you can try for free after reviewing thousands of other tools myself. Don't forget to check that out if you're serious about improving your business with the best AI solutions available.